Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign into Roblox on the website using your account credentials now. After signing in, navigate to the Create page in the top navigation bar. If you do not have Roblox Studio installed, the site will prompt an installation. Follow the installer and accept standard permissions to proceed. Make sure your computer meets basic requirements like 4 GB RAM and a modern processor to run Studio smoothly. Once installed, launch Roblox Studio and choose New, then select a template to create your first place. From the Roblox home, click Create in the top navigation to reach the Creation Hub. The Create page lists My Creations, with places and models shown in separate sections. Find the specific place you want to edit or click New Place to add one. Each place displays 3 dots for more options like Configure, Rename, or Delete. Use Configure to adjust access, permissions, and genre settings before publishing. This page also links directly to Edit in Roblox Studio for fast workflow. When your build is ready, open File in Roblox Studio and select Publish to Roblox. Choose an existing place or create a new place entry and add a clear title and description. After publishing, go to the Create page and click Configure to set permissions like public or private and add a price if selling access. Test gameplay using Play Solo and Play Here to confirm functionality and performance. Enable auto-save and version history so you can restore previous builds if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.